chasing after me. I need a little substance. Not sure where it's headed, but I know it's going somewhere. Take a cab and don't look back. I'll move through all the silence. Now I'm colder than a
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I hope you are well. Welcome to our video that is titled A Journey Through University Life. I am Zafirah and I will be your narrator for the first destination, which is Pusat Belajar. As you can see, Pusat Belajar is a wide venue, but don't worry, you are in good hands. I will guide you through this tour one by one. So here's our left view and our right view around Pusat Belajar. The first utility that you find at Pusat Belajar is Pita Room. Pita Room is mainly used by students to do their study section, assignments, or just to take a breather during their leisure time. Next is Lodge. A lodge is a space designed for relaxation, comfort, and informal socializing. It's typically a room that's site for people to unwind, relax, or engage in casual conversation. Moving on to ATM machine. UEDM provides the campus with ATM machines, which stand for Automated Teller Machine. Is a specialized electronic device that allows students to perform basic banking transactions without the need for direct interaction with a bank teller. ATM are a key component of modern banking infrastructure, offering student convenience, access to financial service around the clock. Vending machine is an automated machine that dispenses a variety of products like snacks, beverages, or small items in exchange for money or electronic payment methods. Now, let's move on to the next destination, that is HEP. HEP at UITM stands for Himpunan Eksekutif Pelajar or Student Affairs Department. It is a department responsible for overseeing various aspects of student life and welfare at University Technology Mara, a leading public university in Malaysia.
Sibuk betul kamu orang
Hahaha, Lydia, so sudden. HEP at UITM is a critical department that supports students' personal, academic, and professional development. It provides a wide range of service to ensure that students have a fulfilling university experience. Here's the operation hour for HEP. Okay, let's go guys to the next destination.
Perpustakaan Tun Abdul Razak, PITAR, is a place where collections of information, resources, and services are made available for use by individual communities or organizations. PITAR UITM Cawangan Sarawak main function is to give full commitment providing world-class services to students. This library provides spaces that students and lecturers can utilize for educational purposes. Where is Safi? Oh, there she is. Okay, I follow you. Okay, so this is relaxation room. And this is study area. This area is mainly used by students to do study session, not playing games. No games, guys. And this is a closer look of the IT area. Wow, she studied. They are designed to provide access to a variety of media, including books, journals, digital content, and audio-visual materials. Students may also use OPAC, which stands for Online Public Access Catalog, that allow users to search for and locate resources in the library, making it easier for individuals to find materials they need. These are the discussion rooms that students and lecturers may use efficiently during classes or study discussions. This is the view that the people at the library can enjoy. This is the operation hours for PITAR. This is another closer look of the area that students may use freely. Oops, jump scare. Munif! OMG.
Tada! Here's our little kitty by Lydia, showing us around Medan Jubilee. Nita! Hi! Sorry Lydia, we just got distracted. Let's continue. Medan Jubilee is a popular dining area located within University Technology Mara, Sarawak branch in Kota Sumerahan. It serves as a central hub for students, faculty, and visitors to enjoy a variety of local and international cuisine. The food courts offer a diverse selection of food styles, providing affordable and hygiene meals options that cater to different tastes and dietary preferences.
This is the Uitm Healthcare Center. Boom! The healthcare center is staffed by medical officers to provide primary medical and healthcare services to the UITM's community. And this is the operation hours for UITM Healthcare Center. This is the scenery near the healthcare center. Look guys, it's so beautiful and so aesthetic. Look at the sky.
That is all from us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching!
Bloopers! Hehe.